Okay, let's go on with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to reply. The question is, did you ride a bike when you were little?
No, I never get any chance to ride bike.
I did not get a chance because it is all in past tense. So I did not get a chance.
To ride a bike because it's not common in our community, and as I belong to a conservative family, so it was never liked for a girl to ride a bike. So never, I
All
never
right.
tried.
Are bikes popular in your country?
Yes, bikes are very popular in Pakistan, but mostly common in men, not in women. They use it for small trips and for daily tasks, and it is because they choose bike because of its affordability. Like everyone can afford it, and it's mostly common in middle class and lower class families.
Okay. Do you have any bike in your house?
Yes, I have a bike in my house and it belongs to my father and it's not mine. Whenever I have to go somewhere, he rides bike for me and to get anything which I want.
Okay. Would you like to learn to ride a bike in the future?
No, I have no plan to try to it because I am living in a community where it is not liked that if a girl tries to ride bike, although it's changing. I have seen many girls riding bike, but it's not it's not common in our society still.
All right. Overall good. Just focus your pronunciation, right? And then the word you used that was conservative. Conservative. We have some stress patterns. That is called intonation. So you need to focus that as well, right? As you practice IELTS listening, you can already do that. Okay, let's go on. How do you usually deal with challenges in daily life?
Okay, well, when it comes to challenging, it requires a lot of resilience, adaptability, and effective coping strategies. So when it comes to challenges, they can be emotional, social, and professional challenges. So categorically, if I talk about emotional challenges, I practice seeking help from my parents, my family, and my friends, and also I do exercise, which release endorphin, happy hormone, which help to lift our mood. Also, I keep myself optimistic, and I take challenges as opportunity for growth.
All right. Do you like to live a life that has a lot of challenges?
Well, I really don't think so because every coin has two sides where we have advantages of challenges as well as we have disadvantages. People who are into too much challenges, it can create stress, anxiety, and other health issues. So, in my opinion, maintaining and living a balanced life is quite good.
Do you like to challenge yourself?
Well, yes, sometimes I love to challenge myself, and challenging yourself is, is adapting something, being a human being. So yes, when I feel low or which I cannot learn when I cannot learn something, then I challenge myself. And main reason and importance of challenging yourself is to new skills and tasks
Okay.
to enhance your
All
self-confidence.
right.
And
What subject do you think is the most challenging at school?
well, it's really a very interesting question, and I will speak my heart out. In my school, mathematics was just like nightmare for me until today, because it involves a lot of formulas, multi-steps, and concepts. So these things are quite difficult. Also, it needs a lot of practice to remember, or you can say to solve questions. So mathematics is still
All right.
difficult for me
Overall,
today.
very good. You're speaking very fluently, comfortably. Your pronunciation is good. So just make yourself familiar with all these topics and you're good enough to go. Some of your answers were long. If you are interrupted by the examiner and examiner asks you the next question, that's pretty normal. Okay?
Okay.
Good job. Thank you
you.
so much.